Okay, in this video I am going to present the chapter number 5 from the textbook, which is ABC costing, which means activity based cost system. I am going to relate the main objectives, the learning objectives of this chapter with the company that I selected for the course, which is a public company and its name is Amazon.com. Okay, the objectives that I think can be more related to the company that I found in the textbooks are the first one is why complex mix of products uh, produce more cost for companies that use a narrow range of products. The other, I'm going to explain what the ABC costing system is all about, which is the main purpose of this cost system, and at the end, I am going to talk a little bit about the barriers that managers and leaders can find in their companies when they are trying to implement a cost system like the ABC. Okay, uh, for the mix of products, it's more than clear that companies that have more products and different products that use different raw materials and that their manufacturing process is totally different. Of course, it's gonna be more costly for the company. Why? Because it's gonna take more time. The direct labor has to be more specialized because they have to know the different manufacturing process that they have to apply when they are producing a certain product. Also, the time, as I told you before, the time that they have to use to clean all the manufacturing line, all the machines, and to set everything up for the next manufacturing process is time, which in every company, time means money. So this is why when you have different products, it's gonna be more expensive for the company to deliver all these products and to approach the target that they want. The activity based cost system basically helps companies to better allocate the overhead costs. When I talk about the overhead cost, I'm talking about the marketing, the selling, the distribution, and the administrative resources. Because usually when you use a standard cost system, you try to generalize and to apply the same cost for every product that you are manufacturing. But this is a mistake because in this way you are not taking into consideration the variation and the deviations that depending on the manufacturing process and in the raw materials and the direct labor that you have to apply for the product, it is causing. So in that way, the companies lie to themselves. They think they are doing well. They think this product is very profitable for the company, but actually it's not. It's causing like losses in some cases. Um, in terms of Amazon.com, since they have like a very complex function or activity, and they offer a lot of products, and they have diversified their business, and they offer services, they offer products, and they offer web page services and different other products. They have to take into consideration the ABC system in order to have more reliable information for making decisions and for crafting a strategy that can be implemented and that will lead or will take the company to accomplish all the objectives. Okay, so what happens is that when these companies don't realize what what product is profitable and what product is not profitable, they think they're doing well, and they start losing money, and they don't know why this money is being lost. It's been lost. I'm sorry. So in this way, if they start applying the ABC the cost system, they will know how much is this product to produce, depending on the volume that the company is deciding to manufacture, or depending on the order that they have. So it's very important for the company to actually uh, segment the company in their manufacturing process, not only the manufacturing process, because as you can see, the ABC cost system is based on the service. So if you're talking about a company which offers the services, it can be applied also in a company that offers services. So it's not only for the manufacturing, but I think it's a really good way to have reliable information about your company, to know how your company is doing in with the different products, to know which is the manufacturing process that is not being very effective and that you have to work on in order to make it more effective, and at the end to have more profitable more profitable products, or even to decide if you have to stop working with this product because it's causing a lot of losses for the company and it's not actually helping to achieve the objectives. What happens sometimes with the ABC cost system is that uh, mm, employees, they don't like changes. So when you're a leader and when you're a manager and you realize this cost system will bring a lot of benefits for the company, you have to be able to transmit that feeling to the employees. You have to tell them that the change is difficult at the beginning, but at the end it's gonna first benefit the company, and when the companies benefit, the employees will see a lot of benefits from this improvement that the leader or the manager is trying to do in the cost system. We have to remember, and it's also important for Amazon, that when you have identified very well which is your cost structure, that's the base for a company to be successful. Because if you know and you have in your hands all the information about how much is to produce this product and to distribute this product and to sell this product and to do the marketing for this product, then the costing is correct and you know how much you have to charge. In that way, you will not incur in losses or in misunderstandings of the target that at the end will end up bringing a lot of problems for the company and will prevent the company from achieving the objectives that they set before.